Hey y'all, Jim here, Southern Coast of Cooking. Got my little helper with me
today.
Hey
y'all, Southern Coast of Cooking.
And what we do is we've got a really nice porterhouse here today. This is going to be a fine steak.
I'm turning in there. And
it's got really good marbling, all that good stuff to it. So, so we picked this one up from Kroger. And it was on sale, but it's an Angus steak. And what we're going to do, just kind of clean up there just a little bit, we're going to do a new sear method today. I want to show y'all. And seasoning. I'm going to take this duck fat first. Spray a little duck fat on it.
Hey y'all.
Both sides, just like that.
Hey y'all.
Now, for seasoning, we're going to go with this Heath Riles, his garlic jalapeno rub.
I said first. Okay. Hey y'all, Southern Coast of Cooking. And the person has had it.
Okay. Now, I'm going to put some of this garlic jalapeno rub on there. Get it on there. And then I'm going to do Heath Riles beef rub. Okay? And I'll put links to where you can get all this in the description box. Alright? You know, I got the steak all sealed up, my vat master. I've got the my sous vide unit here, immersed in circulation, set at about 130. We'll hit and plop that in, okay? And we'll let it get to cooking. Go for about an hour and a half. Y'all, we got our set up here. The steak I just got out of the sous vide. I'm sitting over here on the cold side of the grill for a second, just to dry. Got a hot bed of coals. Got my bacon drippings here. And I'm gonna get my little pan, my field skillet. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some of these bacon drippings right here in the field skillet. Y'all can see here. And we're gonna put that over on the heat. Now, I would suggest doing this on the cold skillet simply because I've done stuff like this before. When that skillet's screaming hot, that bacon's liable to catch fire. So you just want to heat it up gradually. But you take your, let me get this spoon, got a little bit of charcoal on it, excuse me. Alright, so get you a nice little spoon of this bacon drippings here. Maybe a little bit more than that. Hey, you can't put too much in here, really. Something like this. And we're going to sear that steak in these bacon drippings. And I'm telling y'all what, it's going to be phenomenal. So y'all come on over here with me. We'll go over here to the hot side of the grill. And we'll move the skillet over here. Alright. Coming around behind you here. You got your skillet right here. All right, we'll get these bacon drippings just hot right here. I'm going to get y'all in a little bit closer so you can really see down over and see what's going on, okay? And that's going to be real mighty fine there. But, we'll just let it get hot. Don't take long at all. You want to be careful you don't splatter none over the edge of the pan and catch fire with these coals. I like doing this out here on the PK, and I'll show you why in a minute after I get done. Alright, so these bacon drips are popping hot. Let's lay our steak down in there. Alright, we'll get a little bit higher. Let it go just for a second more. That should be good. Oh yeah, look at that sucker right there. That's what I'm talking about, man. We're going to get a picture of that here in a second. Beautiful. Let that sucker just get that good flavor. Ain't nothing but flavor town right there. That's beautiful. Bacon up right there. It don't take long. Just a little bit just to get that crust there on that side. That's what I'm talking about. Just take a peek at it every 30 seconds or so. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Alright, we're ready to flip. Y'all got to see this. Look at the color. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? That's what I'm talking about. Beautiful. That's pretty right there. You're about to be done. Alright, let's look at that side over here. Oh yeah, oh my gosh, look at that. That's the thing of beauty right there. Alright, now what we're going to do, we're going to take that off the fire. I'm going to let the steak, hold on a second, I'm going to move the steak over here and let it kind of drip dry. For a second, over there to the side, I'm gonna move the grease away from the fire, okay? Then what we'll do, put that off there. I'll flip them over real quick, just let it drip. And I'm gonna put that steak over them hot coals real quick with those drippings on there. Let me just get one more little piece of sear, just for a second. Look at that, and that's just gonna get hash in them sear marks right there off that pan. Oh man, yep, I want to start flaming on them. Let them go for a second. Right there. There you go. You have that real deal charcoal sear plus those bacon drippings. Yes sir, yes sir. I'm gonna be able to beat that. Oh my gosh. Right there, y'all. Look at that. Good. Oh, what's that sear? I'm gonna put them over on the plate now on the side. We'll let them rest. And that's just a thing of beauty right there. All right, y'all. Let's give it a taste test out here at the PK. Zoom y'all in just a little bit. The steak now that she's rested some. Let's cutting that little fillet there with a flat iron. Oh man, it smells great. Oh yeah. Nice, looks like cooked back. That's searing. Around medium rare. That's nice. Okay. Let's just taste a piece of that. I just can't wait. That smell it gave off when it was searing that bacon was phenomenal. My goodness, that is hard to beat, y'all. I am serious. I have not tasted a steak with that kind of flavor. I don't know if it's just the bacon rub or some of Heath Riles rubs there, but that is awesome. That did it right there. Y'all gonna try this. Anyway, I'm gonna go get this uploaded, see if we can get it up for the game. Sit here and fish my steak. Thank y'all so much. Y'all please like my videos, sub my channel. Don't forget to check the description box for links. God bless y'all. Y'all have a good one. Before y'all go, one more thing I want to tell y'all about. I got this sauce in the mail the other day. Cumana Avocado Sauce. Super low carb. It's supposed to be good for you. And of course, you know, I'm not big on steak sauce on my steaks at all, but I do want to try it. So let's give it a try here while we're doing this. Go ahead and just put some here on the plate. This is the spicy version. It has several versions. I got all three of them. But hustle plug the steak from over here. Give it a try. Alright, and avocado sauce. It should be really good right there. Let's just see what it's all about. Very good. It's say the word very refreshing, almost like a salsa verde or something. But it's got a taste to it that, you know, it's not tortillas or anything. Just, I guess that's the avocado shining through. It's good. I'll put a link to this too in the description box. Try to try that too. That'd be really good on. It's real light, real refreshing, not spicy really much, even though that is the hot, but it's got some good flavor to it. Man, it'd be really good on like some enchiladas, on, you know, or some chicken or fish or, you know, whatever. That's good stuff. Thank y'all.